Good morning, students. This is question number 36, JEE Main Maths. See the question. If the curve y equal to y of x represented by the solution of the differential equation 2xy square minus y dx plus x dy equal to 0 passes through the intersection of the lines 2x minus 3y equal to 1, 3x plus 2y equal to 8, then y of 1 equal to s. First வந்து intersection point வந்து find out பண்ணலாம். 2x minus 3y equal to 1, 3x plus 2y equal to 8. இப்போ எக்ஸோட கோபிஷன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 2, 3 இருக்குது. இப்போ இது 3 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம், இது 2 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம். இப்போ 3 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிங்கன்னா 6x minus 9y equal to 3. 2 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம்னா 6x 4y 16. Take subtraction. This is minus 13y minus 13, y equal to 1. Value of y is 1. Take equation number 1. 2x minus 3 into 1 equal to 1. 2x equal to 1 plus 3, 4, x equal to 2. The intersection point is 2, 1. The intersection of the line is 2, 1. Now take the differential equation. 2x y square minus y dx plus x dy equal to 0. X dy equal to what we get? Take right side. This is y minus 2x y square dx. Okay, what is dy by dx? dy by dx equal to y by x minus 2xy square by x. So this is y minus x. dy by dx minus y by x minus equal to 2 equal to minus 2y square. Okay, you just divide by minus y square. We get minus y square minus 1 by y square d by dx minus 1 by minus y square into y by x. So right side we get 2 only. So this is cancel. In this stage you just substitute 1 by y as z. Take another variable. Give name 1 by y z. What is dz by dx? This is minus 1 by y square into dy by dx. dy by dx. So now change everything. So this is dz by dx. So this is nothing but 1 by y. So minus minus plus 1 by y into 1 by x. 1 by y into 1 by x. So instead of 1 by y, you have to write z into 1 by x equal to 2. So this is the differential equation in z and x only. Now we apply. So this is a form of du by dx plus py equal to q. That is dz by dx pz equal to q. This is the form. This is a linear differential equation. This is linear differential equation. So now you calculate IF. What is IF? IF equal to e power integration of p dx. So e power, what is p? So 1 by x, 1 by x dx. So e power log x. So this is x. So intersection point is 2, 1. So if is x, what is solution? Solution is z into if integration of if into x, if into x, if into q dx. So this is q is 2, p is 1 by x, q is 2. So z into if is x, integration of if is x, q is 2 dx. So this is 2 into x squared by 2 plus c, xz, 2 to cancel, xz equal to x square plus c. So this is answer, and you replace z by 1 by y, x into 1 by y equal to x square plus c. So now we apply the value 2, 1. This is x, this is y. So x value is 2, y is 1, equal to x squared is 4, c. So c value is minus 2. C value is minus 2. So c value is minus 2. You apply this c in this equation, we get x by y equal to x square minus 2. So what we asked, they asked y of 1. So y of 1 implies, what is y of 1? X value is 1. So 1, this is y of 1, 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Y of 1 equal to minus 1. We ask modulus y of 1. This is plus 1. So modulus value is 1. So first we find what is intersection point, that is 2, 1. Take the linear differential equation. Take the differential equation. Try to write in the form of linear differential equation. We can't write directly linear differential equation in the variable x and y. So change the variable z. After that we get dz by dx plus pz equal to q. So this is a linear form in the variable z and x. So if is, you get x. The solution is, get the equation x into 1 by y equal to x squared plus c. You substitute the point, you get c. Again they asked y of 1. So value of y of 1 is 1. If you have any doubt, ask again. Thank you.